Oh, hey guys, you know, and today we're do a talking about the Bissell 3-in-1 stick vacuum. You know, as you can see, doesn't look as bad. It doesn't look as bad, but so makes sense, but like it makes sense. Mm-hmm. 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 That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Take that. Take this back. Put that somewhere here. But let's just talk about this machine. Now, basically what I did was basically I used the stick vacuum way much. You know, most people you don't see anything like it. But I mean, let's just say it's just a little bit more design. Now, you guys think like, why are you not in school? Well, unfortunately, because it's gonna be snowing outside. I mean, it's just because how it's big thing. So no, it is. But anyway, back to this, and you can see that it's got a little damage right there. It's got this broken off and this broken off. It's been like that since like it does have a nice suspension. The bomb piece can come off, and also this thing can pop. So anyway, it's easy to push. Easy to push, and the switch is not, you know, like well, but it's not really that bad actually. I mean, you see that how this uses. I mean, I'm about 9. You know, one's gonna cut my body like as you can see, but it's not typical. But you know.